Isang produkto ng Filipino-Canadian entrepreneur ang magiging available na sa pangunahing retail store sa buong Canada. Paano nga ba ito naging posible? Ang kwento sa patuloy na pag-angat sa representasyon ng produktong Filipino-Canadian sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Mahigit 6 na taon na mula nang ilunsad ang Happy Natural Products, isang milestone para kay Filipina-Canadian entrepreneur Jennifer Uy. Mula kasi sa mahigit 2,000 business owners na nag-apply, mahigit 100 napabilang sa shortlist. Kasama siya sa 50 nabigyan ng Golden Ticket Deal ng isang pangunahing retail store sa Canada. Ang nasungkit niyang oportunidad, pag-roll out ng isa sa kanyang mga produkto sa lahat ng tindahan nito sa buong Canada. Makasaysayan at kauna-unahan daw para sa isang Filipino-Canadian entrepreneur.
The team itself, the category management team, sila nagde-decide kung anong mangyayari after the acceptance of the golden ticket. Whether online kayo or online tayo sa marketplace nila, it's called Walmart Marketplace, or in select regions. In our case, we will be rolling out nationally in all of Canada with our product. So out of the 50, we're one of the few that are rolling out.
Simple mang tignan ang produktong hand sanitizer. Ibinida raw niya ang pagiging sustainable nito, mula sa sangkap hanggang sa proseso ng produksyon.
When we came out with this product, we wanted it to be the best, and it was at a time of scarcity. You couldn't find the right ingredients, you couldn't find the packaging, the printers were closed, but yet we were able to come out. Because if you want, can I spray some?
Yeah, sure.
So wait a few seconds and then give it a rub during that time, and then feel it.
Parang tubig.
Yes, it's parang tubig siya, pero 80% alcohol ang formulation based on the WHO recommendation.
It doesn't have that strong scent.
Yeah, it's an unscented plant-based made from sugarcane yung alcohol natin.
Aminado si Uy, hindi madali ang magpatakbo ng sariling negosyo at hindi na raw bago ang dagdag na hamon bilang isang Asian Canadian o person of color sa industriya.
We're always constantly innovating and we're always constantly proving ourselves. Walking into presentations and such, sometimes I'm not taken as seriously, being a woman and then a woman who's a person of color. Or sometimes I'm being asked, oh, who's going to be signing off on this? And I said, well, this is my brand. I'll be the one signing on it.
Ilan ng piling mga tindahan sa Toronto ang nagdadala ng produkto ni Uy. Pero ang mapili sa kauna-unahang Canada Growth Summit ng nasabing major retail store, magsilbi raw sanang paalala sa kahalagahan ng pag-preserve ng kultura at tradisyon kahit pa nagiging moderno na ang merkado.
A lot of our products that we have at Happy Natural Products is really a voice, not just products, but a voice for underrepresented cultures, underrepresented traditions, most specifically in Asian-inspired wellness. And we just want to make sure that what constantly is erased sometimes is something that we put in the forefront.
Bagamat 2026 pa ang official launching ng hand sanitizer product ni Uy sa nasabing major retail stores sa Canada, umaasa siyang maging inspirasyon ng kwento para maiangat ang representasyon at ang pagtangkilik sa mga produkto ng Filipino-Canadian entrepreneurs. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Markham.